Alright, Tran, so what did you just do?
Made a pretty good deal on a, you know, a car. It's right here.
Feeling it?
Why is it like that?
What up, guys? 404 crew. Today we're gonna pick up a new car for Danny Tran.
I have 75.
Yo, I got you something.
You got Justin, Mark 4 Supra, Panda, Camry, Toyota Camry, Danny Tran, Civic SI Supercharged, and possibly a new car that you guys will find out in a little bit. Stay tuned for that.
Make another 1,000 more. You know what I should do? I should take a Supra, put Alice in it.
That's what
Oh, hi! Hey, how much can this seat? A lot? Alright. Oh, hi! I wonder if I can keep up on a charger. Alright, guys, I'm so sorry. No! Oh! Yo, big fuck! Yeah, big. I'm gonna lock the windows, dude. And I'm gonna lock you know the camera's still recording that. No! I don't give a fuck. I wish I could smell it. I love it. It
smells good.
It smells like pepperoni. Like sweet pepperoni money.
Hopefully we get there, there's another problem.
There's another what? I can't race it. I have ego mode. And I'm hauling like 400 pounds in the back.
I can't believe you fucking this second game.
Dude, it's fucking long as shit.
You needed a short shift.
Yeah, I did. I really did.
Driver's not.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
You can't call out.
Fucko, until you can beat me in a race, then I'll take your word.
Are you guys racing?
Hell yeah. Fucko did.
I did. Really won.
Fucko did.
You won?
No, Fucko did.
Who won?
No, he wasn't there. It was just me and him. Yeah, Fucko won.
You passed me, so she went on. We did it.
You saw it? The chicken wing. Chicken wing. Chicken wing. Leg. It smells so bad.
Probably shit your pants, Panda.
Why are you shitting your pants, Panda?
I'm just stop it.
Dude, I saw the new Legacy, and it's ugly as fuck.
The new one?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Which is the new one?
It's fucking huge. Because I don't know what the fuck's going on with this. I just know like there's something going on in the back here. So you hear it, Marco?
Yeah, I hear it.
What is like metal?
No. Like something.
I think it's your mud flaps.
It sounds like that.
Dude, you went over those speed ones really fast. They probably like bent forward and just you're running over it.
I'm kind of sketching that. What the fuck is it? Wait, what
Your
is
mud flaps, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Wait, it sounds like rubbing?
Yeah,
It's like
rubbing rubber, mud flaps.
Oh god.
it's probably like something hitting your wheel or something.
That should be like the inside of my fucking tire.
That's your coilover.
What happened to me on that silicone?
It's because you measured
Offset
your
is too low.
I think you
Or too high.
Yeah. No, don't get me vaping. I drive a Supra. I drive a Supra.
And he says he drives a Supra.
Subaru.
Look at him stroking that fucking vape.
Aviation made me vape.
You sure you drive a Supra?
No, I drive a Double X. Got mud flaps.
What a disgrace. Disgrace to all Supra owners.
I know.
It's just because you're riding in the Supra.
Ow, what the fuck?
Oh, I'm sorry. What happened?
What the fuck? Hit the button. How do you hit the button? Oh, he actually cares about us.
He loves us.
Alright, looks like we made it even to a narrow road.
I should have
It's
went.
like almost no more dirt left, it's just trees.
And then we're gonna have to get out and walk.
Yeah, no. Imagine when your tires pop, dude.
Maybe. What if
Oh,
you
he's outside.
What if you like intentionally put up a trap? Oh shit! You're gonna fucking
Oh shit.
fuck on yourself. When they put your ass.
Alright, Tran, so what did you just do?
Made a pretty good deal on a, you know, a car. It's right here.
There you go, guys. It's a 1995
95.
240 SX S14. It was an SR20 swap already. Pretty good deal, right?
Hell yeah. Pretty happy.
Honestly, if you guys know exactly how much Danny Tran paid for it, it's a pretty good deal.
Oh yeah, that's a hella good deal. Been wanting one for quite a long time.
So now we got two people in the channel that have 240s with swaps.
Yep.
Danny has this one with the SR20, and then you got Andres's, the one that you're seeing recently was the playlist or whatever.
Yeah.
Was the RB20 swap. So there you go.
Definitely.
Oh, and also another thing we forgot to mention, it actually came with extra goodies.
Oh yeah.
Door panels, bumper, fenders, and actually like a straight pipe exhaust system for this.
Also, that white truck. That's what
Oh,
it
no, no. What are you lying? What are you lying,
It's
Pam?
hot.
But yeah, that's one of the door panels. Second door panel.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, it's a really clean car for what it is. There's really no visible rust. Bright seats, rotating steering wheels, NRG quick release. And yeah, SR20 already. Honestly, we were gonna go look at a S13 hatch,
Yeah.
RB20 swap,
RB25.
but
Yeah.
RB25
Yep.
actually.
Hey, give me another rag.
Another reg.
But we were supposed to drive up to Tennessee, which was like a little over 3 hours drive. And literally last minute, the guy said he wasn't able to let us see it in the morning. So we were like, all right, well, this one came up. And we're off.
We're off.
Going only like 5 miles an hour down this dirt road. So we got
Hey
it.
guys. So happy.
So bumpy.
So bumpy. And my seatbelt doesn't work.
So yeah, that's another thing. We gotta. Boy, the bunkers are actually in the fucking trunk.
Yeah.
It's just not in the car. Bolted down. And then, yeah, literally we have to drive down this dirt road for like over half a mile.
Just a test drive.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys saw, but I was Panda back there.
Reindeer.
Justin, reindeer. That's the only way we were managed to fit trans bumper in his car. But yeah, we're actually off now to go to Summit Racing to check out what they have there. So we'll see y'all there.
Yep. See you guys. I forgot. This only has 5 gears.
Oh, you're about to go into 6 or
Nah, I went to 5th and I was like, wait, why is the RPM like under 2?
Oh, man.
I'm like going 50. Because usually I'm in 5th gear going 50. something to get used to.
Look at that bride seat.
Look at that.
Look at this bride seat.
Wow.
Honestly, not a bad buy.
Not a bad buy.
And like I said, stay tuned for future videos on this. It's gonna be badass.
Alright boys, let me pop my my Summit Cherry.
Alright, we're on our way back home now. We're carrying Tran's front bumper right there. We switched spots. Justin's inside the passenger seat now, taking a ride with his Tran, and I'm riding with his Panda right here with his Camry.
Fuck you.
But yeah, I think he got a pretty good deal on the car.
And all the goodies, hell yeah.
Yeah, especially with the extra stuff that came with the car.
I mean, it might not look like it's like, you know, a good deal, but it actually is if you like.
Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. I mean, it needs some loving. That's pretty much all.
Fuck the yellow.
But yeah, we're on the way home. Probably gonna take us another 40 minutes to get home.
Which isn't bad.
Yep. But we'll see when we get there.
Damn, look at those LED tail lights. It's just fucking dope as fuck, dude. Lucky as hell.
What do you think about that 240?
It's gonna be mine.
It's gonna be
I'm
yours?
gonna steal the keys one day. Officer, he don't have his tags. Go get it. I want the car. Yeah, for the rest of the week, you're gonna be like, damn, you're gonna come back and work. I want 240. Yeah.
How do you feel?
Unreal. Still. Even though it's an old car. Always wanted one.
Well, now you have one.
Yep. Still can't believe it.
Damn boy, you gotta steal.
Hella steal, dude.
Yeah.
What do you think, Justin?
I love Tran's parents' reaction to it. They were welcoming it home.
Dude, I know, man.
That's great.
Yeah.
Parent, like, I'm just like,
That
what?
was awesome. That was so
A lot
cool.
of VF parents like that apparently.
What?
Not Billy's.
Really?
Oh, really?
Really?
Nope.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it horrible? Or they like
From what Billy says, they're not. No.
with the RSX?
With any car that's like modified.
Oh.
Like my parents are like strict, kind of, but then now that I realize like it's my own money, they kind of don't care. But they always say like, stop, like, why are you wasting your money?
So, 240 finally made it to Tran's house.
Yep. Almost 2 hours.
Almost 2 hours.
Fuck.
The only problem you ran into is whenever you're stopping in traffic or whatever for long periods of time, it starts to overheat. But we figured out that the fan that they're running, it's pretty small, and also it's actually like being a pusher fan, meaning it's pushing all the air over there instead of being a puller fan that goes through the radiator. I mean, it would make sense if the fan was over here to be a pusher fan, but the fact that it's on this side, you need to be a puller fan to pull all the heat out from the engine bay out, especially when you're in idle. So that's why it was overheating, because once you're just cruising around, temperature's fine, and it pulls pretty hard.
Hell yeah. Super loud HKS.
Low-key brutal.
Oh hell yeah.
It's like unexpected.
Like the throttle is stiff and then you hit that boost and it's just like flat out. It's like
Yee. What was that?
Alright, well that's a wrap for today. Trans picked up his new car.
Yep.
And like I said, stay tuned for future builds on the S14 Zinky.
Zinky. Second.
Many things to come, but first of all, fix the cooling issue, meaning fans and small stuff like that.
Issue.
And possibly paint job, so
Yeah.
who knows.
Possibly
What?
LS swap twin turbo.
This guy. The guy that drives a Camry.
If I ever get one, not
Yeah.
twin, single.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. And just stay for the next, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.
See ya.
See ya.